Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Join the server and open the channel where the AI bot responds. Make sure your role has sent messages and use /commands so prompts go through. Once done, type the bot /trigger or prefix. This initiates the generation flow. You do this now to avoid permission errors later, and because a working channel is required before you ask for any image instructions. You craft the prompt carefully. Name the subject, pick an art or photo style, and specify lighting or mood so the model knows intent. Then add technical constraints such as aspect ratio 16:9 or a target resolution to control framing. Also include negatives like no text or watermark to prevent unwanted artifacts. Once composed, send the /command with the prompt. The bot queues and returns variations. You finalize by selecting variations or using upscale to increase detail. Choose reroll if outcomes miss the mark, because iterative tweaks guide the model toward your vision. Make sure to save the final image and copy the exact prompt for reproducibility. If the process fails, check that the bot is online, your permissions allow interactions, and your prompt isn't truncated. Also reduce complexity or remove ban terms. This troubleshooting step fixes most generation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.